Thank you for joining us today. We're so excited. We've seen incredible momentum over the last year. We now have over 1.2 million apps actively using Firebase every month, including many global partners that you may recognize. We appreciate so many of you are trusting us with your apps, whether you're a sole developer or working in large teams. We're committed to helping developers at companies of all sizes to succeed.
We feel that machine learning has the potential to unlock so many interesting challenges. That's why we're launching MLKit into beta, bringing the power of machine learning right into your app on Android and iOS. MLKit provides 5 out-of-the-box APIs, including text extraction, face detection, barcode scanning, image labeling, and landmark detection. The Base APIs let you easily build ML-powered experiences without needing extensive background in machine learning. These APIs are both available on device and in the cloud. For those with advanced needs, MLKit also lets you upload your own custom TensorFlow-like models and serves them through Google's powerful global infrastructure. So your app can dynamically retrieve models and evaluate them on device without having to bundle the model with the app binary.
At last I/O, we launched Firebase Performance Monitoring, our tool for getting performance insights from your user's perspective. Over the last year, we've battle-tested the SDK, and we're excited to announce that performance monitoring is graduating out of beta today. Along with this announcement comes a few new exciting features. Today, we're announcing the addition of the new issues feed, where we do the digging for you. You'll find it at the top of the performance monitoring dashboard, and there we highlight issues that you should be paying attention to, such as slow app start time or failing network calls. We're also now collecting more metrics out of the box than ever before. On top of app start time and network requests, we now have data on slow and frozen frames. What's cool here is that we collect this information automatically for every page in your app. At Firebase, it's always been vitally important that our products work cross-platform. In that spirit, today we're expanding Firebase Test Lab to include iOS. Now, Test Lab provides you with the physical and virtual devices that allow you to run tests that simulate actual usage environments. With the addition of Test Lab for iOS, we help you get your app into a high-quality state on both iOS and Android before you even release it into the App Store. We're excited that Test Lab is now cross-platform, and iOS support will be rolling out over the coming months. If you'd like to get your hands on it early and be an early tester, please go to the Firebase console or use this URL to get on the waiting list.
As we talked to other app teams about how they're solving these problems, we heard one thing consistently repeated about the growth process. It's all about experimentation. You can't afford to rely purely on intuition. Instead, it's much more effective to run an experiment and let data drive product decisions. It starts with Google Analytics for Firebase, which helps you observe user behavior. And last year, we added the ability to see anonymized analytics for individual users, with both debug view and stream view. And now we're excited to give you the ability to level up and see aggregated analytics for all apps in your project. So if you have an iOS version and an Android version of your app, you can now see how daily active users, revenue, and other metrics are trending across your business. This means you can now analyze data on 3 levels, across all your apps, for an individual app, and even an individual user.
On behalf of the Firebase team, I want to say thank you to all of you.